Hello everybody and welcome back to the 37 Beat. I'm Slade Bradbury.
I'm Ann Wellington.
We're having a great time here at the 37 Space Symposium. We had two successful 37 Beats yesterday. We went over to the Space Foundation booth. We talked a little bit about the space report. We also visited Australia's booth and we saw what they were doing in the space industry. But today we're here at Lockheed Martin and we're joined by Sonia Phares. She's Vice President of the Engineering and Technology team at Lockheed Space. We're also going to be joined by Jamie Brown. She's also at Lockheed Space and she is the head of marketing.
All right, well, let's invite Sonia on. Good morning, Sonia. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. How are you guys doing today?
I think we're so excited to be here, but I think the audience would love to know what's going on over at Lockheed Martin. What are you guys all about?
Well, let me tell you. And thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it. So Lockheed Martin solves the world's toughest technology challenges. We have more than 100 nations rely on our employees, products, and technologies to help them protect and connect their citizens and advance scientific discovery. At Lockheed Martin, we have over 60,000 engineers, scientists, and technologists. And as part of the LM Space business area, I'm lucky to have 12,000 of them working for me.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Our space business is based in Denver, Colorado, and we have an important mission to protect, connect, and explore. We're building the future of space. Now, the Colorado community is clearly becoming a hub in the aerospace industry, and that's increasing the search for talent. At Lockheed, as Lockheed continues to grow, we currently have 2,000 open requisitions across the country. Now, if I've piqued your interest, please take a look at our job openings at LockheedMartinJobs.com or come reach out to me directly. Now, I've been talking about Lockheed Martin, but let's show you what Lockheed Martin does.
Oh, we're excited.
Jamie, over to you.
All right,
Thank you
Jamie
so much.
Brown, come on and join this conversation. Welcome, by the way.
Thank you so much. I am so excited, Slade, to get the chance to show you all around the Lockheed Martin booth. We have a couple of really interesting things this year, a couple of immersive experiences. I'll start over here on the left. You'll see the Orion capsule. Inside of that, on the other side of the booth, we are doing a partnership with Amazon Alexa and Cisco by WebEx, where it's a technology demonstration and we build a payload that's going to fly inside the Orion spacecraft for our Artemis 1 mission to the moon, where astronauts, when they do fly on a crewed mission later on, they'll be able to actually talk to mission control. They'll be able to ask Alexa questions real time, which is very unique. It's never been done before. And then with the Cisco component, WebEx, they'll be able to actually see and talk to family and friends back on Earth. So it's really interesting. And then up here, we have our brand new LM400 satellite bus, which is part of our satellite bus of family satellite bus, excuse me. And then if you move over here above us, this is our GPS 3F satellite. Everybody knows about GPS, right? It helps us get places, it helps us do banking, you name it, we all use GPS every single day. What's unique about this is it's on our LM2100 combat bus, and part of this is highlighted in yellow here, in the yellow light. That's our Aspen Common Docking Port, which we have a larger version down here on the show floor. And this is used to help satellites connect in orbit for on-orbit servicing so they can get real-time upgrades.
Neat.
And then
That's
finally,
amazing.
I'll point out over here behind this black curtain, one of our most popular features of the booth this year is our 360 video experience. So when you go in there, you can do two things. You can drive our lunar mobility vehicle, which is where we're teaming with GM for a rover that will drive on the moon. You can also do our space data transport tapestry, excuse me, where we use data to connect satellites that are in different orbits so we can get information to the ground faster for real-time action to help our warfighters.
Super critical, right?
Absolutely, yeah. So all of this said, we really encourage you, we have a new space Twitter handle at LM Space. I encourage you to follow us for real-time updates, all things space, all the time. And we also have information of what's going on here at our booth at Space Symposium. Thank you.
No, thank you so much for talking with us today.
Yeah, Jamie, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to have Lockheed Martin here. We're very appreciative of your time, and your booth is amazing. Your technology is amazing. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I
Wow.
never knew how much was going on over here.
Yes, they do so much in the space and aerospace community.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for joining us for this episode of 37 Beat. This afternoon, we hope you'll come join us. We will be in Broadmoor Hall visiting NOAA, so we hope to see you there.
All right, take care, guys. Bye.
Thank you.